guys, finding mom. So yeah, while you're finding mom is kind of I'm gonna start makeup now because I don't know what you're saying. Let me I'm sorry guys. So yes, now I'm gonna make up. So yes, so this is my makeup. I don't know when you like it because look at my lipstick and I have a hard book on this eyeshadow. Why you already have a makeup? How do you gonna even work that if you have an ink peel? And then I fix it and then I fix it. Yeah, there you go. So yes, la promise talking about for my mom. So yes, I have black hair. No one confront me. Okay guys, I have been the flower. It looks cool to me because I never about this whole wait because we even love you guys. Yeah. Guys and goodness on here. I don't know what yeah, so much. Excuse me.
Gagi number 3.
It's falling down. Excuse me. Okay, hello again. Now we're here in a waterfall. We're almost the water is. See my mom.